What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with KRETZ Customs. Right now we're looking at this 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL that we just got done lifting here at KRETZ Customs. If you guys are looking to get your Jeep lifted or add some new wheels and tires, you should take a look at what options we have here. Just to get started, we have a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, and this one's going to have the just the basic lift kit with a premium M3 shocks. You could upgrade to the Vertex reservoir shocks if you would like to get some of that more, the better ride quality as you go down the road. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 for your Country Hunter RT, which is going to be kind of a hybrid tire. So it's going to give you the mix between mud terrain and all-terrain tire, and it's going to have that aggressive sidewall, that thicker tread to give you that aggressive look, and some of that off-road capability, but it's also going to give you a nice quiet ride and a longer tread life as you go down the road if this is if that's something you'll be driving every day. Down here we have a 22x12 Hostile Reaper, and this one's a new wheel by Hostile this year, and this one looks really good on a lot of vehicles that we've put it on so far. Really like this one actually. This one comes in that gloss black and milled, the all gloss black, and I think it even comes in the armor plate as well. So this one does come in a variety of different sizes as well if you don't want to go with this 22x12. I bet this wheel does look good in a lot of different sizes as well. This one's going to have that mix between the concave and deep dish look. It's going to have about a 3.5-inch lip on this wheel, and then the spokes are going to go back towards the center of the as it goes towards the center of the center cap. And then also this one does have the exposed lug, so you can run those spike lug nuts with this wheel as well. So overall, this is a really good looking wheel and tire package, and especially for this Jeep. I love the color combo here. And so if you guys like it and want to get this done for your vehicle, we can do that for you right here at KRETZ Customs. Make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get your Jeep lifted, add some new wheels and tires, and go ahead and pay later.